there, Zone 8 gardeners! Did you know that the secret to a thriving late summer garden isn't just about surviving the heat? It's about making your garden thrive when others are struggling? Today, I'm going to share some surprising tips that will transform your garden into a heat-resistant powerhouse just in time for late summer and fall. Stick around because these tips could be the game changer you've been searching for.
Late summer harvest and fall planting.
Let's kick things off with what's growing in your garden right now. If you've been nurturing your tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers through the heat, now's the time to reap the rewards. Harvest these warm season vegetables at their peak to enjoy their full flavor. There's nothing better than a juicy, homegrown tomato, right? But don't stop there! As we head into cooler weather, it's the perfect moment to start planting your cool season veggies. Think broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. These hardy greens love the cooler fall temperatures and will give you a fresh harvest when most gardens are winding down. Late summer and fall fertilization. Next, let's talk fertilization. Your garden's been working hard all summer, so now's the time to give it a boost with a balanced fertilizer, especially one with high phosphorus content. Phosphorus is key for strong root development and flowering, which is crucial as we transition into fall. And remember, regular watering is essential, especially in the heat. Water helps your plants absorb those nutrients efficiently. Don't forget to mulch. Mulching not only keeps the soil cool and moist, but also helps protect those precious roots from temperature extremes, protecting plants from pests and diseases. Now on to something we all dread, pests and diseases. Late summer can be a battlefield in your garden. But don't worry, I've got your back. Cover your plants with row covers to keep those pesky insects at bay. It's a simple trick that can save your crops. For diseases, a proactive approach is best. Apply fungicides early, especially during humid conditions, to prevent any fungal outbreaks. And if you spot any plants that are already struggling, don't be afraid to prune them. Removing diseased parts can prevent the problem from spreading to your healthy plants. Harvesting and storing your vegetables. Finally, let's talk about harvesting and storage. Timing is everything. Harvest your vegetables when they're perfectly ripe to capture their best flavor. After all that hard work, you deserve the best taste possible. Once harvested, store your veggies in a cool, dry place. This extends their shelf life and keeps them fresh longer. If you have more than you can eat, consider canning or freezing them. This way you'll have a taste of summer even in the heart of winter. Before you go, here's a little bonus for you. To make your Zone 8 garden even more successful, grab our free planting calendar tailored just for your zone. Plus, check out our blog and other videos for even more in-depth gardening tips and step-by-step instructions.